Gandhamardan Hills. Mythology has it that unable to identify Sanjeevani booty, when Lord Hanuman was carrying the entire mountain of medicinal plants to Lanka to save Lakshman, a part of the mountain fell in what is today the Bargarh district of Odisha. These fragments of mountain together are known as the Gandhamardan Hills. Join us today on our trip to the hills, where we will also visit the Nrusinghnath Temple, Kapil Dhara waterfalls, and the Panch Pandav Rock Carvings. This place is famous for not only its rich mythological significance but also its abundance in Ayurvedic herbs and plants. We will be staying close to the temple at Nrusinghnath Nature Camp, run by Odisha Ecotourism Department. The nature camp has been recently renovated and houses 2 rooms on each floor. Here at the open balcony, one can immerse in the beauty of the nature and feel being part of it. Being located in such an enchanting environment and equipped with all modern amenities, this property becomes an ideal location for a small family vacation. The dining room is equally well designed. Also, the quality and taste of the foods served are excellent. In the evening, we visit the Nrusinghnath Temple, which is at a walking distance from the nature camp. The temple was built almost 6 centuries back by the then king of Bargarh, Bijal Singh Dev. According to the legend, when people were greatly afflicted by Musika Daitya, the incarnate of mouse demon, Lord Nrusinghnath in his feline form ran to eat the demonic mouse, who has never dared to come out of the tunnel, and Lord Nrusinghnath has been guarding it since then.
চাঁদমামা কোথায় একটু দেখিয়ে দাও তো
বাবা ফুটো দেখো ফুটো বাবা দেখো ফুটো দেখো
চাঁদমামা বলো বাবাকে বলো ওই যে চাঁদমামা
বাবা বাবা বাবা
Next morning, we head for Kapil Dhara waterfall. Driving through the forests and narrow hilly kacha roads is altogether a different experience. After a 10-minute drive, we reach the fall. The fall here is a small one, but one can trek higher to see the water cascading from larger heights. We then return to our camp and visit the Panch Pandav Rock Carvings. These sculptures are believed to have been carved by the Pandavas during their exile. Bathing these sculptures is believed to bring good fortune. Having thoroughly enjoyed our stay at Gandhamardan Hills, we say goodbye to this place, hoping to come back here once again. Booking and other details have been provided in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such travel videos.